you're probably thinking, what are we doing? What is he cutting? What is it for? So we are currently in our workshop and we are cutting some shelves for a pantry, and we're also going to be building understairs storage. So we're going to do all the cuts, all the prep work in our workshop, and get everything prepped and ready. Then we're going to take it on site, fit everything, which you see later on in the video. Now all the shelves are cut. He's cut the supports for the shelves. So once we fit them, this is obviously going to strengthen the shelves so it doesn't bend or anything like this. So we're now on the next part, currently cutting up the doors for the understairs storage. So the shape is there already. There's only two we need to cut out for, so we are doing one's going to be a door and the other's going to be a pull-out drawer. So he's currently cut that out. We're going to get that all glued and stuck together and get it all ready, and later on in the video you see it all be painted as well. So we are back on site now. We've got the 3 shelves with us that we saw from the beginning of the video that we made in our workshop, so we're just going to get those all printed down. So this is the area that we have to work with under the stairs. So we built 2 carcasses. So yeah, the one on the right side is a cupboard, and then the one on the left side, the smaller one, is a pull-out drawers. So now you can see the finished doors that's been fitted. So if I remember correctly, we used a Dulux trade paint, which is diamond satin wood. So yeah, it gives it not that sort of gloss, but that sort of matte, but just some nice colour in between, which does match really nicely actually with the stairs. So Mark's just putting on all the trims for that, and then I think we'll be there. So that is it, coming to the end of our video. So we have on our right side, this is the cupboard that we built. The client did ask not to have a shelf in between, so they get a bit more, storage inside. And then you've got your pull-out drawer, which they wanted to use for their shoes. So yeah, that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video, and let us know what you thought.